Today's topic for discussion is flowers. There are different types of flowers, and flower is the reproductive part of the plant. It consists of several parts. Some flowers is having stalk-like structure which is known as petiole, and some flower they do not have stalk. Such flowers are described as sessile flower. Presence of petiole, absence of petiole, all such things that plays very important role in identification of the plant. Besides this, flower is having calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Calyx consists of sepals, corolla consists of petals, stamen, the androecium consists of stamens, and gynoecium consists of ovary, style and stigma. Again, there is great modification in each type of part. Size is different, shape is different, color is different. In some flower bract is present, some flower there is no bract. Every minute point which is related to flower that plays a very important role in identification of a particular plant. In this slide we have shown different types of flowers which are identified, and flower plays important role in identification of the plant. Let us see. This is the flower of Barleria priontis. The common name is Coranti, and the family of this plant is Acanthaceae. Next. This is the flower of Celosia argentea, and its common name is plumed cock comb, and it is the member of family Amaranthaceae. And sometimes in rural areas it is also called as combra. Next. This is the flower of Crinum asiaticum. Its common name is poison bulb, and the family is Amaldiaceae. Next. This is the flower of Annona squamosa. Common name of this plant is custard apple or sitafal. In Marathi, in Hindi it is called as sitafal. Even in Marathi it is called as sitafal, and it is the member of family Annonaceae. Next. This is the flower of Nerium indicum. Its common name is Nerium, and it is the member of family Apocynaceae. Next. This is the flower of Catharanthus rosaceus. It is a very common important medicinal plant, and it is commonly called as Sadabahar because it produces flowers throughout the year. And its family is Apocynaceae. On the basis of flower, we can identify the plant. Next. This is the flower of Calotropis procera, and its common name is Madar, and it is also called as Rui, and the family of this plant is Asclepidaceae. Next. This is the flower of Asparagus racemosus, and it is commonly called as Shatavari, and medicinally it is very important plant and very commonly grown in Marathwada region. In several gardens it has grown as a ornamental plant. Okay, and its family is Asparagaceae. Next. This is the flower of Brassica nigra. Its common name is rye or mustard, and its family is Brassicaceae, and the seeds are used as spice. And this is the flower of Brassica nigra. Next. This is the flower of Tradescantia pallida, and its common name is purple heart, and family is Commelinaceae. Okay, and it is grown as an ornamental plant in several gardens. In botanical gardens of several colleges this plant is grown, and it is called as purple heart. Common name is purple heart. Okay, next. This flower, it is the flower of Lupha cylindrica. Its common name is spongy gourd, and the family of this plant is cucurbitaceae. It is a vegetable plant. The fruits are used as vegetable. Next, this is the flower of Anisomales ovata. Its common name is Indian cat mint and the family is Lamiaceae. Okay, it is a medicinal plant and it is a wild plant, grow as a weed plant everywhere. Next, this flower, it is a beautiful yellow colored flower. It is the flower of Galphemia gracilis. Its common name is spray of gold. The family of this plant is Malpighiaceae. And this plant is commonly grow as an ornamental plant and it produces yellow colored beautiful flowers. Next, this is the flower of Bougainvillea spectabilis. Its common name is paper flower. Flower is very small and pink colored, large bract is present. Again, this is the characteristic feature of Bougainvillea. Large petal-like bract is a specific feature and it is the member of family Nyctaginaceae. Next, this flower, it is the flower of Mirabilis jalapa. It has closed and its common name is 4 o'clock flower because the flowers open at 4 o'clock and in the morning all flowers close up. This flower is taken in the morning and its family is Nyctaginaceae. Okay, next, this is a very beautiful flower and it is the back side of the flower of Moringa oleifera and its common name is drumstick. It is a very common in Marathwada region and its family is Moringaceae. Pots are used as vegetable. Next, this is the side view of Moringa oleifera flower, which is just I told you drumstick is the common name and the family is Moringaceae. It looks like a doll-like flower. Next, this is the Morus alba inflorescens. Flower is very small. The common name of this plant is Shahtut and family is Moraceae and spelling here Moraceae we have to write. Okay, Morus alba inflorescens. It is the inflorescence because flowers are very small in size and common name is Shahtut. Okay, next, this is the flower of Azadirachta indica, a large medicinal plant which is known as neem plant and the family is Meliaceae. Okay, next, it is a medicinal plant. Several types of medicines are prepared from this. Soap is prepared from oil as well as seeds and even recently pesticides, eco-friendly pesticides are prepared from Azadirachta indica. It is the member of family Meliaceae. Next, this is the flower of Argemone mexicana. It is a medicinal plant and its common name is prickly poppy and it is the member of family Papaveraceae. Okay, next, this is the beautiful flower of Antigonon leptopus. Its common name is very interesting, chain of love. Okay, and the family is Polygonaceae. Okay, next, it is an ornamental plant and it is a climber. Next, this flower, it is the flower of Tribulus terrestris. Its common name is goat head and family is Zygophyllaceae. Okay, it is also a medicinal plant. Next, This flower, it is the flower of Coriandrum sativum. Photograph is not so clear because flower was very small, and its common name is coriander and family is Apiaceae. It is the spice very common in the kitchens of India. Okay, next. This is the, to the right side, to the left side it is the inflorescence, to the right side a single flower is shown, and it is the flower of Alternanthera sessilia. Okay, its common name is joy wheat and family is Amaranthacea. Next, the flower is very small. Next. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth. This is all about different types of flowers, information about different types of flowers, and flower play a very important role in identification of plants because it consists of several types of characteristics, several types of modifications, several types of colors. Every small minute point also plays a very important role in identification of the plant. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.